Here's this laptop. It's an ASUS ExpertBook, and the 1, 2, 3, and 4 keys are blue on the side, as it's visible, and those can be customized if you download a program called ASUS ExpertWidget. If you click on that one, FN1 has the Bluetooth command assigned to it, FN2 the Wi-Fi, FN3 nothing, FN4 power modes. So once again, FN1, that is the FN key and the number 1. If I press these, the Bluetooth is on, because as it's visible, it's set to toggle the Bluetooth. So FN1 Bluetooth, FN2 Wi-Fi off, FN2 again, Wi-Fi is on. You can use, let's say, for FN3 notepad and save it and close it. FN3 and notepad is opening. So here Windows 11, use the Microsoft Store and download the ASUS ExpertWidget. Microsoft Store, up there, ASUS ExpertWidget, this one, and install it from here. On this laptop, since it's already installed, I have open.